Yo, what up? This is Combo. Once again, we are back with another tutorial, and this time is with the three-step. So the three-step is a really bouncy move. This move is really awesome. So if you already learned six-step, this would be another addition to your footwear patterns. So let's get right into it. You'll start here first in your zero position. Remember, every time you do zero position, make sure your heels are off the ground, knees are facing forward. We're going to start first with one hand down, and we bring our leg out. Again, every single time, and what we teach in our classes, same arm, same leg. So because I go counterclockwise, right? So I'm going to start with my right hand, right leg. So step one starts here, and then I'm going to switch my hands, and I'm going to switch my legs. Next, I'm going to go for a hook. Bring my hand down as I do this little twist with my body and jump till I go open here. To continue the move here, what I want to do is similar to the step in six-step, how you shuffle step like this, but what you do here is you're actually going to jump, right? To get back into this position. Step one, switch hands, switch legs. Step two, hook, bring the hand down, add the little twist to your body, and jump open. Once again, you'll see it from this angle. As I kick my leg through, I actually add a jump. Once again, the bounce comes here when you switch hands, switch legs. Go for the hook, hand down, jump. Step one, step two, step three. Step one, step two, step three. A little bit faster. And we're back to the beginning. Once again, this is Coach Combo with WeBreak, and that was the three-step tutorial.